NBIS is in the news not because of its earnings, but because of its almost $3 billion deal with Meta, up 2.94%. This is Wednesday, the 12th of November, 2025. Intraday low of 99.62 printed on yesterday the 11th. Yeah, so the stock is picking up from where it stopped. Yeah, it's been on a downtrend, as a matter of fact, since the whole of this month. Since the whole of this month, it's been on a downtrend. The extrapolation is saying that it may continue. Yeah, okay, it may continue. Momentum is also saying yes. The the depressed momentum it has right now is going to remain in place up to Friday, and maybe from Monday the 17th of November it might bounce. Okay, so we'll see how it goes here. Extrapolation saying yeah, lower prices all the way down to the 23rd of February. 40-day moving average is now get starting to slope. It's now moderating its acceleration, yeah, and may begin to decline and provide a resistance to any attempt to break out. Okay, these are just extrapolations, no guarantee that they'll turn out that way. Projections are currently saying down projections first of all 59.74, 70.71, 88.46. Upper projections 172.47, 202.20, 220.58. Okay, so let's quickly glance at its daily chart and see what we have. Sorry, on its 4 hour chart. Okay, the 4 hour chart is saying, okay, yeah, here it's a lot more ambitious, saying that the strength it has picked up now, and I actually picked it up from the from the post market session of yesterday, the 11th. So the extrapolation on this 4 hour chart is saying it's going to remain strong, and the 40-day moving average it's not going to be a resistance, even though it's going to attempt to be, but it won't be based on this extrapolation. Okay, but in the interim, the 40 period moving average is actually going to serve as a moderator of any expansion. Yeah, you can see how the intersect this area is collapsing. So a contraction of a possible expansion is expected to play out. Okay. Here momentum is expected to remain strong, going let's see now, all the way towards the 21st of November. So it picks up. If it picks up, then it's expected to maintain it at least with the stock itself remaining above its 10 period moving average at least up till next week, the 18th of November. Yeah, but yeah, let's see how it goes. It's struggling to sustain this bounce it has now. Let's see now. Yeah, I can see now earlier on was the gain was around 3%. Projections here are saying up to 125, 119.05, 125.85, 130.05. Earlier, okay, that's earlier on, but as of now, it's nothing to the upside, more of downside. We'll have 75.64, 82.58, 93.83. The probability of it retesting 11111.78 is not very fantastic. I can bet you it's less than 1%, but it could still do that. It could still do that as well. It could still retest it. But more about why the stock is currently it's why the stock is on the news as it concerns its deal with Meta. Let's see.
Nebius Group N.V, NBIS, has announced that it will begin deploying the first phase of its nearly $3 billion contract with Meta Platforms, META, as early as December 2025, marking a major milestone in one of its most significant commercial partnerships to date. The multi year deal, valued at approximately $2.9 billion, involves the supply of advanced GPU based AI infrastructure along with related storage and connectivity services to support Meta's ongoing expansion in artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities. Deal structure and timeline. According to a Form 6K filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Nebius confirmed that the GPU services will be deployed in two tranches, the first in December 2025 and the second in February 2026. The 5 year agreement also gives Meta significant flexibility. Meta may extend the term of the contract or acquire additional capacity under the agreement. Conversely, Meta retains the right to terminate the deal if Nebius fails to deliver the required capacity by the specified delivery dates, following a defined grace period. Nebius emphasized that cash flow from the Meta contract will be used to finance part of the capital expenditure needed to execute the agreement, signaling a reinvestment strategy aimed at strengthening its infrastructure footprint. Financial context. The Meta deal announcement coincides with Nebius's third quarter 2025 financial results, which showed a mix of strong top-line growth and widening losses as the company continues to scale aggressively. Revenue surged 355% year over year to $146.1 million, driven by exceptional performance in the company's core AI infrastructure business. However, adjusted net loss widened to $100.4 million, up 153% from a $39.7 million loss in the same quarter last year, reflecting ongoing investments in capacity expansion and major project deployments. Market reaction and outlook. The Meta contract adds another high profile name to Nebius's growing list of hyperscaler clients following its $17.4 billion AI infrastructure agreement with Microsoft, MSFT, earlier in the year. The dual partnerships with two of the world's largest technology companies underscore Nebius's increasing relevance in the global AI infrastructure race. Investors are watching closely as the December deployment approaches, viewing the Meta contract as a critical execution test for Nebius. Successful delivery could significantly enhance credibility, unlock additional revenue opportunities, and potentially attract new hyperscaler contracts. At the same time, the built in termination clause serves as a reminder of the execution risk involved, making the coming months pivotal for investor confidence. Bigger picture. With AI infrastructure demand at an all time high and hyperscalers racing to secure GPU capacity, Nebius's ability to meet delivery timelines for both Microsoft and Meta could determine its standing among next generation cloud infrastructure providers. For now, the company appears committed to balancing rapid expansion with disciplined reinvestment, betting that scale and execution will define the next leaders in the AI infrastructure era.
Okay, so that's what's going on. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.